tricks to do it. Okay, let's try to do here. The first thing is how to find out the odd days. What are odd days and how to find out the odd days, that I must teach you first. Next one, a day will be given to you. With respect to that day, you're supposed to find out the other day. A day will be given to you. With respect to that day, you're supposed to find out the other day. Third model, a day is also not given to you. Still, you're supposed to find out the other day. A day is also not given to you. Still, you're supposed to find out the other day. Last one is same calendar. These are the 4 types of questions you're going to have. Following everybody? Once you learn all these concepts, you can do any questions that I can guarantee you. Okay, chaliye, let's try to find out the first model called odd days. Okay, learn odd days, everybody. Okay, now when we just try to find out the odd days, everybody on the screen now, clear? So for example, today is Sunday. Or let's leave it. Okay, third of the month is Monday or Friday. Third of the month, March 3rd. Believe that it's a Friday. March 3rd is Friday. When March 3rd is Friday, you know when is the next Friday? Come on, please chat everybody and tell me when is the next Friday. Because the gap of 7. 10th. That's good, Reshma. That's good. 10th is a Friday. How you got 10th as a Friday? Many people are saying because the gap of 7. After every 7 days, we have a Sunday. Today is Sunday. After 5 days, you have a Sunday? No. After 4 days, you have a Sunday? No. For every 7 days, you have a Sunday. Clear? When is the next Sunday? 7. 17th. When is the next Friday? 24th is a Friday. When is the next Friday? 31st is a Friday. So we have to understand that for every 7 days, you have the same day. Don't forget this. Don't forget this. This is a basic principle you should remember. For every 7 days, we have a same day. Don't forget this. For every 7 days, we have the same day. Is that fine, everybody? Yes or no? That's good. Clear? Now, let's try to move forward, everyone. Let's try to move forward. This basic example we have learned. For example, I told you, okay, sir, today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Could you please tell me, students, what is after 8 days? Come on, believe that. Today is Sunday. And you have to find out what is after 8 days. I know that you're good at chatting. You can tell me right now. The given 8 days have to be divided into 2 pieces. One is 7, one is 1. So how? Why 7 plus 1? You all know that, sir. For every 7 days, we have the same day. 1 extra day. So you have to count that 1 extra day and saying Monday. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes, Sagar, that's good. Okay. For example, I'm telling you, okay, today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. Could you please tell me what is after? Okay, what is after 30 days? Come on, students, you know that. You can clearly say that. 30 can be divided as 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. How many 7s are there? 4. 4 7s are 28. 4 weeks are there. Plus extra 2 days are there. Try to understand, Nehal. Nehal, you are doing somewhere wrong. Okay. 2 extra days are there. Are you understanding everything? Clear? Now, everybody, Reshma, have a look here. In 30 days, how many extra days are there? 2. 7, 2 extra days. 7, 7, 7, 7, 2 extra days. So who will give the answer? 4 weeks will not give the answer. 2 days will give the answer. Means Saturday means Sunday, Monday. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it fine, everybody? Let's try to have a look, okay? Today is Friday. What is after 50 days? 5. Are you sure, everybody? कैसे Saturday आता है? How you got Saturday? Very simple. Sir, in 50, I'm dividing by 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. You don't know. 7, 7 is 49. What is remainder is 1. That 1 is a odd day. 7 weeks plus 1. Who will give the answer? This 7 will not give the answer, sir. The 1 will give the answer. So 1 extra day, that is said to be what? Saturday. Are you understanding, everybody? Say yes or no. So these all yellow color are said to be extra days. What do you call it as? Extra days. But extra days are said to be odd days. In calendars, extra days are nothing but odd days. Are you understanding, everybody? If somebody asks you how many odd days are in 71 days, What do everybody? Yes or no? Chaliye. Okay. Now I just want you to do these two questions, everybody. I just want you to do these two questions. Good. That's good, Vilas. That's good, Rahul. I mean, yeah, Rohit, everybody. 5. How, sir? 75 divided by 7. Remainder is 5. So 5 odd days. 143 divided by 7. Remainder is what? 3. So 3 odd days. So the very easiest part is what? 5 and 3. Are you understanding, everybody? As I've already told you, you remember, everybody, okay? As I've already told you, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. The funda of 7. What is that? The funda of 7. Don't forget that the 7 for every. Why 7? In our calendars, a week have 7 days. Seriously, a week of 7 days. Suppose it's not, we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Unday, Fun day. For example, Unday, Fun day are 2 extra days. There are 9 days. Following, everybody? Clear? After Saturday, one Unday, one Fun day. You have 9 days. So the cycle is of what? 9. The cycle is of 9. So they might design a question. On a planet, there are 9 days in a week. Remember, everybody, it's not my question. Students have, people have designed this kind of question. On a planet, there are some 9 days in a week. Following? So how many odd days are there in these many days? So you have to just divide by 9. Try to understand that. Cycle is of 9. But that is a assumption. That is an assumption, but that's not practically true as of now. Following, everybody? Why 7? Because in the current calendar, whatever we are following, for every 7 days, we have got a 7 days. Sorry, for every 1 week, we have a 7 days. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye, bahut acha kar rahe ho. You have got these 2 answers. That's good. Okay. Now, for example, I just want you to do this question. Please do it now, everybody. You can do it. Tuesday. Many people say Monday. Some people say Tuesday. Are you sure? That's good. So what did I say? Today is Friday. What did I say? Today is Friday. So in 500 days divided by 7, you got how many extra days? 3 extra days. So your answer is here. This is Friday after 3 days. After 3 days on your fingertips. Okay. What's that? Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Chaliye, do one more question, everyone. What 1? Answer is in your hand. If I told you Sunday, answer after 1 day. After 1 day, bolo what's beta? Or should both the answers are Monday? Yes, that's good. So this is the basics of odd days. These are the basics of odd days. Odd days is nothing. Extra days are odd days. That's it. There's nothing. Second model. We're doing the second model. What is second model? I must tell you first of all. What is second model? Okay. Second model, I'll give you 1 day. I will give you 1 day. With respect to that day, you are supposed to find out the other day. I'll give you 1 day. With respect to that, you are supposed to find out other day. Okay. Now, for example, have a look here. 10th January 2005 is Monday. What is 10th January 2008? I'm going to give you 20 March 2004 is Friday. I'll give you 1 day. With respect to this, what is this day you're supposed to find out? I'll give you all these questions. I'll give you 1 day. 10th March 2008, I will give you. 10th March 2002, you should tell me. So this is the way we are supposed to do it, students. This is the way we are supposed to do it. 1 day will be given to you. With respect to that day, you are supposed to find out the other day. I hope everybody have understood this. Yes or no? Chaliye. So before we go and do all these things, we should want to learn the basics. Can you learn the basics now? Yes. For doing this thing, you should remember one thing. There are 2 types of years. Seriously. There are 2 types of years. One, student, you already know, ordinary year. In an ordinary year, students, you all know that 365 days are there. How many days are there, students? 365. If you divide this 365 by 7, you all know that 1 odd day. And I am not telling, you already did in the previous question. You have already done in that previous question. Don't say, sir, how did you get this one? You only did. Okay, chalo. There's one more type of year that is not an ordinary year. This is a leap year. It doesn't have 365. It has got 366 days. You don't have one odd day. You have got what? 2 odd days. That's it. Over. Basics are over. Basics are over, sir. That's it. For doing the second model, this much is sufficient for you to do it. That's it. Are you understanding, everybody? So try to understand that. First odd days we learn. First odd days we learn. Now we are into second model. One day will be given to you. You're supposed to find out the other day. For doing that, we are learning the basics. The basics are done. Is that fine, everybody? Shall we move forward now? Yes. Sir, there are, in every year you have one odd day, but in leap year you have one extra day. You know where is that extra day? Not January 32. That is February 29. That extra day is in the form of February 29. You can't find this February 29 in all the years. Only in leap year. Only in leap year. You don't know. You don't know what is a leap year. You don't know which. Simple. If a year is divisible by 4, yes, seriously. If a year is divisible by 4, then it's a leap year. Then it's a leap year. For example, 2010, no sir. 2010, no sir. 2012, yes sir. Divisible by 4. You know divisible by 4? You know divisible by 4? Last 2 digits. What is divisible by 4? Last 2 digits. Sorry sir, it's not leap year, sir. Acha, 20. Come on students, tell me, it's a leap year or ordinary year? It's a leap year. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? Yes. A year must be divisible by 4. Whereas a century must be divisible by 400. Remember, students, whenever you come across centuries, you have to divide by centuries by 400. For example, the year 1900, even though it is divisible by 4, we should not check because it's not a common year. It's a century. Centuries must be divisible by 400. Do you think 1900 is divisible by 400, students? No. 1900 is not divisible by 400. So it's not a leap year. Don't worry. Sir, the year 1600. Yes. Leap year. Acha, the year 1800? No. The year 2100? No. Are you understanding? If I talk about the year 1200, yes, this is a century. All these centuries must be divisible by what? 400. If it is divisible by 400, it's a leap year. If it's not divisible, khatam. If you are talking about the common year must be divisible by what? 4. Whereas the centuries must be divisible by 400. You cannot decide all the years are leap year. Prasanna Kumar, century, 1900, 1600, 1700, all these are said to be century. Sachin made century means 100, double century, 200, triple century, 300. I just said Brain Lara, 400, all these are centuries. So if a century is there, it should be divisible by 400. Are you understanding? Clear? That's good. So these are the basics. Basics are already done. Shall we go for the first model, second model, everybody? Yes. Let's try to go for the second model now. Now, for doing the second model, let's try to have a look here. He told you that 10th January 2005 was Monday. 10th January 2005 was Monday. So what is this 10th January 2008? Please don't do it. Just listen here. Sir, leave this day. From 10th January 2005 to 10th January 2006. Do you think it is exactly one year? Yes, this is exactly 1 year. Students, let me just try to ask you, is this one leap year or ordinary year? Batao. It's a leap year or ordinary year? 1 year gap. Are you understanding, everybody? From 10th January 2005 to 10th January 2006, exactly 1 year. Exactly 1 year. It's not 11 months. It's not 1 year, 2 days. It's not 1 year, 3 days. It's not 10 days. It's not 1 year, 2 days. Exactly 1 year. That 1 year gap, shall it take as a leap year gap or ordinary? Yes, it's an ordinary year gap. What is this gap? Ordinary year gap. In an ordinary year, how many days are there? 365. Good. 365, if I divided by 7, how many odd days are there? 1. If you divide these two, 1. Students, stop it. Don't do all this nonsense. Don't do all this nonsense. We have already predefined. Sir, ordinary, 1. Leap, 2. We already got it. Again, standing everybody, don't do all these things again and again. Instead of this thing, you are supposed to write down what, students? You are supposed to write down what? 1. Following? Ordinary, 1. Leap, 2. Try to understand that. Now, we are standing here now. We are standing here. Now, we have to move to next one. 10th January 2007 to 10th January 2007. You tell me, exactly 1 year gap or 1 year, 6 days? 1 year. 10th January 2006 to 10th January 2007, exactly 1 year or 11 months? 1 year. 10th January 2006 to 10th January 2007, exactly 1 year or 1 year, 5 days? 1 year. So, is this 1 year gap, is a leap year gap or an ordinary year gap? You are supposed to decide. People are chatting and saying it's ordinary. Ordinary बोले तो एक या दो? एक. That's it. Following everybody. But this is not your destination. Let's sort of move forward. From 10th January 2007 to 10th January 2008, is it exactly 1 year gap or 1 year, 5 days? 1 year. So is that 1 year gap, is it a ordinary gap or a leap year gap? Come on, please tell me. It's an ordinary or leap year? Leap, Abhilash, leap 2008. Rahul Babu, 2008 is a leap year, na? Are? Why you are saying ordinary? Are you sure? Yes. Purnima and everybody, you are right. Even though 2008 is a leap year, where are you reaching? You are reaching only till 10th January 2008. Are you understanding? You are reaching only till 10th January. In a leap year, where is the extra day? Students try to understand. The extra day is in the February month in the form of 29th. Do you think you are reaching February 29 in this given calendar? No. Are you understanding, everybody? Some of the people are saying before Feb. That's true. Not just before Feb. In Feb also, you should cross that February 29. Are you understanding, Divya? In that, you have to cross this thing. So now, Mayank Tiwari and everybody, just try to tell me, is it a leap year gap or ordinary year gap? It's a ordinary year gap. Are you understanding, everybody? Ordinary, because Feb is not included. Even though you are a leap bacha, your extra bacha is in the month of which bacha? February bacha, in the name of 29, which is not available right now. So we have to consider as 1. Ardhamaitunda. Yes or no? So we have to understand that this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So we have to understand that overall we found it as what? 3. Overall we found it as what, beta? 3. Are you understanding, everybody? Overall we find it as what? 3. Now let me just try to ask you here. If I told you Monday, can we say the answer? Yes. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That's it. Some people said Friday. They are eager to get the answer. Stop it. First you think what the concepts I am teaching. Are you understanding, everybody? Some of the students have told the answer as Friday, expecting that they got this here is 2. But try to understand that answers are not at all important. While I teach in the beginning, you all know that. Nadeem, Friday kahan se aaya? Oh, Nadeem Babu, how you got Friday? 3 days. Monday, 3 days. What's the Monday, 3 days? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. अब मैं तुमको देखता हूं, तुम मेरे को देखो. Shall we move forward now? On the screen now. One more question. 10th March 2005 is given to you and 10th January 2008. Sorry, 10th March 2008. Now let's try to do it everybody on the screen, students. Let's try to do everybody on the screen. Okay, what we are doing right now. Okay, chali, let's try to move forward, everybody. Clear? How to do this thing? How to do this thing? Listen, everybody. 10th March 2005 to 10th March 2006. Exactly 1 year. So you have to play with now. Is it leap? Sir, yes, Sunny. Answer to aa gaya. Sunny is the great. Okay. Oh, everybody is great here. Okay. Good. 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 अब मैं क्या बोलूँ तुमको आ ही गया. The students try to understand that. It's my duty. तुम कितना भी बजा लो. It's my duty. I should always maintain the basics. 2005 to 10th March 2006, exactly 1 year gap. That 1 year gap is a leap year gap or ordinary year. It's ordinary. This is the ordinary bacha. So it's a ordinary year. Okay. Chalo. Now this is not my destination. 10th March to 2006 to 10th March 2007. So from these 2 years, it's exactly 1 year gap. Okay. That 1 year. Okay. That 1 year. What is that 1 year? Ordinary year. So it's 1. But 10th March 2007 to 10th March 2008. You all know that 2008 is a leap year. As you can shout now here, do you think you're covering the February month? Yes. Like Divya said, or Rakesh Naidu said, everybody said, sir, we have to cover February. Yes, we are covering February month. So shall I consider this gap is a leap year gap or ordinary year gap? Ordinary year gap. No. Leap year gap. So what shall I write down here? 2. Are you understanding, everybody? So 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is means 4. 4 bole to what? Friday. Hope you people have got it. Yes or no? That's good. So what is these 2 examples? To make you understand how to choose the gap. Leapa, ordinary year. Leapa, ordinary year. That have to be understood. समझ में आ रहा है, everybody? चलिए, no worries. Let's try to move forward now. Let's try to move forward, everybody, now. Let me just try to give you one small question. I'm telling you 10th Jan 2008 is Sunday. Please tell me what will be 10th Jan 2013. Come on. Make it faster, everyone. As you are genius, make it faster. Jan 2011 to 10th Jan 2012. It's not 2. Remember, you are 10th Jan only, 2012 only. But February you didn't touch, na? It's 1. Following, everybody. Now, the 10th Jan 2012 to 10th Jan 2013, the next year you're going to have 2. 10th Jan 2012 you have covered till here. So that's the reason we have to call it as what? 1 only. Following, everybody. Chaliye. Now here overall 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. Bolo, what's that? 7. So मैंने बोला Sunday and you also are supposed to say same Sunday. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? But these kind of things must not be done. These questions are quite simple questions we have to do on fingertips. Remember, everybody. It's a mind game. You should not use your pen and paper to do all these things. Orally, you have to count in your brain. That's it. I request you people that you have to count it orally. Following, everybody, don't do all that stuff. Following, everybody, it's not like that we have to just try to put on paper. Some students are there. Not everybody. I should teach everybody here. Clear? Suppose, for example, it's given to you 10th March 2004 and is asking you 10th March 2010 or 2009, for example. So shall we do it, everybody, orally? Let me do it. You don't do it. Okay. So 2004 to 2005. 10th March 2004 to 10th March 2005 is 1 only. Even though 2004 is a leap year, your February is not covered. It went back. Your February went back. You are starting from March onwards. Okay, so it's 1 only. 2004 to 2005, 1. 2005 to 2006, 1. 2006 to 2007, 1. 10th March 2007 to 10th March 2008 is 2. is 2. Okay, 10th March 2008 you covered. 10th March 2008 to 10th March 2009 is 1. Overall 6. I told you Sunday, after 6 days you have Saturday. You have to do on fingertips. What you people are, doing? Many people have a doubt. Sir, why you are giving me same dates? Because same dates, it's easy for you. Why you are giving me same dates, sir? Listen to the question now on the screen now. Sir, I gave you 20 March. Listen everybody. I gave you 20 March and asking you 23rd June. Now it's no more same kind of questions. Previous questions, whatever we have done, I've given the same dates. I've given the same dates to you. Look, 10th January, 10th January. Then here also, 10th March, then 10th March. Here also, all the things are same. But what is the question you're going to have here, students? I gave you 20 March. I gave you 20 March, but I am asking you 23rd June. Are you understanding, everybody? I gave you 20 March, but I am asking 23rd June. Please listen to this question. You have a high tendency of doing a mistakes in calendars. Because ek din idhar udhar, your answer may go wrong. Let me just do one question. A lot of questions I'll going to tell you, okay? Now listen, everybody. Sir, you gave me 20 March. 20 March 2004 was Friday. But are you asking me 20 March? No, I'm asking you what, students? I'm asking you 23rd June 2008. Following, everybody? Everybody on the screen now. Sir, do we have any shortcut that we are jumping from 20 March of 2004 to 23rd June of 2008 exactly at one stand? No. We cannot jump from 20 March to 23rd June on fingertips. It's not as easy for us. Are you understanding, everybody? Please try to cooperate with me. Just listen to this. Next, you try your potentials and show me your answers within faster time. 20 March to 23rd June, you cannot jump because dates are different. Then where we can jump, sir? From 20 March, you can jump to 20 March of the same year 2008. You're in the same year 2008. You can jump from 20 March to 20 March as you have a habit of doing this question together, okay? 20 March 2004 to 20 March 2005. Don't say 2. Even though you're there in the month of March. Already February went back. Of 2004, February went back. Don't consider as 2, okay? Consider only 1, okay? I repeat once again. 20 March 2004 to 20 March 2005, 1. 2005 to 2006, 1. 2006 to 2007, 1. 20 March 2007 to 20 March 2008, 2. Because 20 March 2008, you have covered leap year. So how much here? 5. Are you understanding, everybody? How much here? 5. Students, is this your destination? No. You are not supposed to reach here. You are supposed to reach here. Are you understanding, everybody? Just try to listen, everybody. You are in the same year, but you are supposed to walk few months and few days. This is not your destination. This is your destination. So where are you standing right now, students, everybody? You are standing at 20 March, but you have to reach 23rd June. In this, some days are there. Look, some people get Saturday, Sunny got Thursday, Abhilash got Wednesday. Okay, please try to understand that. You might get wrong. Don't show your supernatural powers here. Okay, just listen to me first. I don't want the answer, Baba. I don't want the answer. I just want you to listen. Look, many people are doing different answers. Definitely, one among them is right only. Sunny is Thursday. If Sunny is right, Purnima is wrong, Rahul is wrong. Are you understanding? Try to understand first. Who wants the answer? यहाँ पर offer letter नहीं दे रहा हूँ मैं. There are no openings in BrainWiz Doda. I am giving you offer letter to you. Listen, everybody, now. Look how to do it, okay? Sir, why did you jump from 20 March to 20 March? It's easy for me to jump in fingertips. Following? Now, this is not my destination. This is my destination. So, you are supposed to walk from March to April, April to May, May to June. These 4 months are there still. Are you understanding, everybody, students? These 4 months are there. Okay, everybody? Let's try to see these 4 months. You have completed 20 days of March. In March, 20 days you have already counted. Do you think some days are still left in March? Yes, that is 11. Listen to this topic very carefully, because calendars one day here or here, answer goes wrong. Try to understand that. That you are supposed to learn where you have a chance of making a mistake. After March month is completed, April comes in between these two. Which month comes? April. April, all 30 days I have to take into consideration. After April, we have got one more month called May. 31 days are there in the month of May. And the next month is June. You have reached June, but you don't want total June. Some people write down 30. No. You should not write the 30 days of June. You have to write only 23 days of June, not the total June, because 23 days are over. Are you understanding, everybody? So these are the extra days which are there with you. These are the days which are there with you. Shall we do it now? 11 plus 30. 41. 41 plus 81. 72. 72 plus 23. 95. 95. So 95 days. So whenever 95 days do come, you all know, students, we are supposed to divide again, because in these, how many days are there? We are supposed to find out. Divide by 7. Yes. Vinay, divide and add, that's true, but I am teaching the long way. मेरे को long steps पढ़ाना पसंद है. After these two, yes, I've got 4 days. So from here to here, how many odd days, students? 4. Are you understanding? Rahul, that you have to remember, or else the one which have learned the process, you have to remember that. Following 4 odd days. So students, from here to year 5, here to year 4, students, could you please try to tell me overall how much? 9. 9 have to divide it by what? 7. 7 bole to what? 2 days. 7 bole to what? 2 days. Are you understanding, everybody? So I told you Friday. Say yes or no. हो गया? That's what. So answer goes wrong. One of the student is pointing out, Vinendra is saying, sir, why add then divide? Sir, you divide first then add. Things are easy. Yes, we have learned this thing in number system. Clear? Everybody. No need to add and then divide. You divide and then add. 11 divided by 7, remainder is 4. 30 divided by 7, remainder is 2. 31 divided by 7, in 31 there are 3 odd days. In 27 there are 2 odd days. Understood, everybody? Now you tell me, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. In 11 we have 4 odd days. Ardhamaitunda? Are you understanding, everybody? What is easy for us? No add and then divide. Divide and then add. Things are same. Beta, things are same. So this we have learned. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? From here to here. So I repeat once again. From here to here, it's very easy for you to jump from this place to that place, because they are doing this strategy. If you know the month, divide by 7. If you know the month, divide by 7. Are you understanding, everybody? And one more easy way you can go here also. Listen, everybody. Whenever you got 7, you cancel that 7. Look at that. 4 plus 3, you have to remove. Because in 7, how many odd days? 0 odd days. Remove this 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. You remove it. So what is 2 plus 2? 4. That's it. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? For making your things little bit speed, nothing else. Sir, 2 plus 3 plus 2, 7, out. What is left? 4. Are you understanding, everybody? This is for your basic understanding I am telling you. Add and divide or divide and add. So we say divide and add. Chalo, many people are aggressive to tell the answers. Thank you very much. तुम इधर गए नेहाल. That's the reason I always say, पहले सीखो. We can't jump. So better 10th May to 10th May we can jump. 10th May to 10th May. 10th May 1993. 1993 is what? 1993 is what? Ordinary. 1992 is a leap year. Diesel by 4. 1993 is ordinary. Okay. 1993 to 1994, 1. 1994 to 1995, 2 only. That's very simple. Okay. Now, here you are on 10th May. May, June, July, August. These 4 months you are supposed to travel. Following everybody? Yes or no? Chalo, Mayank is right or Aditi is right? Okay. Is Amit is right or Subhashmita is right? Everybody have two answers. Anybody's okay. May 10 days you have counted. You have counted 10 days, but still may have some days, students. How many days? 31 days are total. 10 you have already counted, so 21 days are left. May over. But June full. देखो भुवन कुमार एक नया डे आया Sunday. There. That many students in the class who have written 31 days over here. Please tell me, sir, if you have written 31, please type S. If you have not written 31 over there. Honestly say yes. Anybody? Straight. That's it. Understanding everybody? Now, this is the extra days. These are the days which are left. We have to do it. Common sense says adder, divider, add. We say divide by 7. Yes, Bhuvan Kumar is also saying yes. Okay. Divide by 7, 0. Divide by 7, 2. Divide by 7, 3. Divide by 7, 1. How many odd days, students? 6. So you're writing 6 here. So here is 2. Here is 6. Overall 8. 8 divided by 7 बोले तो 1. I told you 1, student. I told you 1. मैंने बोला Sunday. तुमने बोला Monday. But many people initially told Monday only. But yes, Balchandar, it's not just Sagar to make a mistake. So we should understand that. Where? Sir, can we jump from here to here on fingertips? Yes. But how to do from here to here is like this process. Look, Pragati also said yes. Following everybody. So try to understand that. Making mistakes is good. But learning from that mistake is also very good. Are you understanding everybody? Yes or no? That's good. So let's try to move forward everybody. Clear? Now. 2 questions we have done and you also got it. Students, I want you to do these 3 questions. Question number 6, question number 7, question number 8. 3 questions, 4 minutes. I'll be back. Friday, Saturday, Monday. Some people are saying Thursday, Saturday. Thursday, Saturday. Which one you have a doubt? D6, D7 or D8? Please let me know. D6, D. Chat box problem. I have just raised the ticket right now. Okay. So people say D8, but I'll teach all the 3 questions here. Listen. 16 January 2010 10. So let me just remove all that. 16th January 2010 was Wednesday. We are supposed to find out 18th May 2014. Are you understanding, everybody? I will repeat all that mistake you have written, Anusha. Let it be, okay? Now, 16 Jan 2010 to 16 Jan 2014. Jan we are covering 16th, okay? Now, 2010 to 2011 1, 2011 to 2012 1, 2012 to 2013 2, 2013 to 2014 5. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes, I was to walk some kind of days. January, February, March, April. In 29 here, no, student, this is not a leap year. 2014 is not a leap year. Please try to remove from your brain. Some students might be here, done a mistake. 28, then March 31, then April 30. The May, total May, don't take it, please. Please don't do that mistake. 80, 0 divided. 7, 5 plus 3. Bolo how much? 8. 8 divided by 7, 1. 1 bola to Thursday. But many people have told this as Thursday. Many people have told the first question as Thursday. Monday, 12 Feb 2012 was Sunday. We are supposed to find out 23rd May 2015. Yes, we can. 12 Feb to 12 Feb 2015. We are in the same year, sir. Same year we are. But still 12. 12 is a leap year. 12 is a leap year. You are counting in the month of February 29. So you have to calculate it as a what? Leap year. Following, everybody? 12 to 13 to 13 to 14 1, 14 to 15 4. Next one. Feb, March, April, May. Students, you all know this thing. Following, 60 days are left. Divide 3, divide Saturday. So this is the answer where many people have got Saturday. Following, everybody. Last question we can do here only. 10th March to 10th March. We can count on fingertips, students. Listen, everybody. 10th March 2008 to 10th March 2002. So better you write down this one as 2002, students, this one as 2008, or your wish. Okay, clear? Now, listen, everybody. So we have to find out how many odd days are there. 2002 to 2003, 1, 4, 2003 to 2004, 2, 5, 6, 7. Now 2008 have got 2 days, means 8 days. Divide by 7. What is the what? 1. How many odd days are there? 1. But what's the logic here, students? He gave you 2008 day, that is Tuesday. He's asking you what is backside. Whenever he asks you backside dates, you have to go back. This is Tuesday. Go back 1 day. You have to count reverse. So what's the answer? Monday. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear? The last question, everyone. Come on, students. Is it clear? The last one, everyone. This year. So you have to go back and count. Tuesday, go 1 day back. That is Monday. Go 1 more day back. That is Sunday. So remember, whenever he gave you backward dates and ask you, forward dates and ask you backward dates, you have to just try to roll back. Counting goes backside. Sunday, Saturday, Friday, like that. Following, everybody? Chaliye, we have done this thing. Okay, clear? Now we are into third model, everybody. We're in third model. A day is also not given to you, still you are supposed to find out. And the last one is calendar, same calendar. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye, let's try to move forward, everyone. Let's try to move forward, everyone. How to do this thing? Let's try to move forward. Now. Following, everyone? Shall we move? Yes? Listen, everybody. The questions will be 19th March 2013. What was the day? The questions are something like this. Listen, everybody. 15th July 1883. What was the day? Nothing, no forward date, no backward date, nothing is given directly. He will give you one date on your face and ask you what is the day. They'll give you 16th March 1993. What was the day? That's it. So these kind of questions exist, students. These kind of questions exist. Following everybody? So try to understand that. How to do these things. How to do these things. So for here also, we are supposed to learn few more basics. Are you understanding? Shall we learn the basics, everybody? Now, students, let's try to move forward now. Here, we are supposed to jump centuries. In the previous model, we have jumped year by year. We are jumping leap year, leap year, ordinary year. Like that, we are jumping from 2002 to 2003, 2005 to 2006. Only some years we are jumping. But for doing this kind of questions, you have to jump by centuries, 100 years, 200 years, like that. So this we can count on fingertips. It's my duty to make you teach this one. Okay. So let's try to have a look, everybody, on the screen now. 100 years have got how many leap years, how many odd days we are supposed to find out. 100 have got how many odd days. Shall we find out now? Now, let's check it out here. You tell me. Currently, you all know, students, 2020 is going on. Currently, 2020 is going on. Are you understanding, students? Next year, 2021 will be there. Yes or no? So, do you tell me, right now 2020 is going on. Exactly 10 years back. Yes, time machine I am taking into back. Exactly 10 years back, what was the year, students? 2010 it was. If I ask you, exactly from today year, 2020, which you remember right now, 20 years back, what was the year? Year 2000. Maybe you were very young at that point of time. Are you understanding, everybody? Right now the year is 2020. You tell me 100 years back, what was the year? That is 100 years back. 100 years back. What is that? 1920. Following, everybody? Right now year 2020. 200 years back, what was the year? 1820. You know that. Right now it is 2020 only. 400 years back, what was the year? 1620. I am taking you back, everybody. Right now it's 2020 only. I'm asking you 400 years back, you told me, but you are not telling me what is 1000 years back. 1000 years back, what was the year, student? 1020. The year it was 1020. Right now it's 2020 year going on. Tell me 2000 years back, what was the year? The year was 20th year. 2000 years back, the year was 20th year. So like this, I am taking the first year of the calendar. Students, these are all the first year of the calendars. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? So I have given you the list of the years. From 0001 to 0100. How many years are these, students? These are 100 years. How many years are these years, students? 100 years. Following, everybody? समझ में आ रहा है, everybody? So in these 100 years, how many odd days are there? We are supposed to find out. In these 100 years, leap or ordinary, it's an ordinary year. It's a leap or ordinary, it's an ordinary year. It's a leap or ordinary, it's an ordinary year. It's a leap or ordinary, you tell me. 4 is a leap or you'll get a leap year. We all know that. Sir, if 8 is a leap year, when is the next leap year, sir? That is 12. You can check it out. Sir, after 12, 16. After 16, 24, 20. After 20, 24. After 24, 28, like this, like this, like this. Do you think 88th year leap is, sir? Yes, sir. 80 is also leap. After 80, which is a leap year? 84. Then 88, then 92, then 96. Do you think 100? No. 100 is not a leap year. Clear, everybody? Rakesh, just listen. Listen, Rakesh. Listen, Rakesh. Listen, 28 not leap years. Please, some people might get diverted. I'm teaching you from the basics. Please try to understand first. Following, everybody? That's the problem with here. In my classroom sessions, nobody will see here and there. They will always listen. Okay, nobody answers also in my classroom. But here you have a chance that you can chat. But listen first, okay? Following, everybody? Let me just try to tell you. In these 100 years, do you think 100 is a leap year? No, sir. 100 is not a leap year because 100 is a century. 100 is a century. You all know that. Is 100 is divisible by 400? No. So that is a year. We are not calling it as what? He is not calling it as what? We are not calling it as a leap year. It's a ordinary year. Is that fine, everybody? You tell me, in this 100 years, how many leap years are there? 25. If you are also leap year, then we can say 25 years, because for every 4, 8, 16, for every 4 years. For every 4 years, you are getting a leap year. Are you understanding, everybody? For every 4 years, you are getting a leap year. So there are 25. But as you are not a leap year, I am writing 24 leap years. Are you understanding, everybody? 100 is not a leap year. That's the reason only 24. Why? Because 1 year I am subtracting from 25 years. Because 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, you all know that. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? So there are 24 leap years. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. And how many ordinary years? These are all ordinary years, which we need not count. This we need not count. How many are there? How you get? In 100, when you subtract 24, remaining all are 76. Understanding, everybody? Understanding, everybody? Is that clear till now? Chaliye. Let's move forward, everybody. Now, this year I have got 3, means you will say 365. Following. So it has got how many odd days? 1. Here how many odd days? 1. How to add these all extra years of every year? So you have to tell me 2. How many 2s, beta? How many 2s? 24 leap years, I already told you. In the first 122. So you have to understand that there are 124 odd days. And students, when 124 odd days are there, do you think again you have to divide by 7? Yes. So what we can say? 5. Could you please tell me, students, how many odd days are there? There are 5 odd days in the first 100 years. How many odd days are there in the first 100 years? 5. Understanding? Copy, everyone. Leaps, I have segregated all the ordinaries. Copied. How many years? 100 years. In 100 years, how many odd days, beta? 5 odd days. Yaad rakho. How you got it? Sir, I have calculated. From the basics I came. From first year of the calendar to the 100th. So how many years are these? These are not just 100 years. These are the first 100 years. These are not just 100 years of the calendar. These are the first 100 years of the calendar. Following, everybody? Chaliye. So first 100 you have calculated. Everybody on the screen now. Everybody on the screen now. Here. Everybody. So what are these years, students? What are these years? These are the first 100 years? No. These are the next 100 years. These are not the first 100 years, students. These are the next 100 years. Are you understanding, everybody? 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, something till 200. Again, I am doing the process. Listen, everybody. Again, I am doing the process. Ordinary year, leap year. Ordinary year, leap year. Ordinary year, leap year. Same process I am doing once again. So let's try to count the extra days. 365, 1, 365, 1, 1, 1, 2. I'm telling you, in the first 100 years, you have 5 odd days. In the next 100 years also you have 5 odd days. Are you understanding, everybody? Years. So these are the first. In the again 100 years, 5. In the 100 years, I have got 5. You all know that. First 100 years, I've got how many odd days? 5 odd days. And first 200 years, I've got how many odd days? 3 odd days. Are you understanding, everybody? Is that clear to you? Okay. Now, every 100 years got 5, 5, 5. Let me just try to check here. Now, let's try to check it out, everybody on the screen now. Clear? Okay. Now, listen, everybody. So this is not 200. I'm teaching you the basics here. This play a very vital role. How many years are these, students? You tell me, how many years are these? These are the first 100 years or first 300 years? These are the first 300 years. 15 divided by 7. Bole to what? 1. So there is 1 odd day in 300 years. There is one odd day in 300 years. Following everybody, there is one odd day in 300 years. Now, I'm taking you this one, everybody. These are 400 years. From 0, 0, 0, 20 divided by 7. We think there are 6 odd days. No, it's wrong. Why it is wrong, students? I'll tell you. What is this 200? 100 was not a leap year. 200 was not a leap year. Year 300 was not a leap year. But do you think year 400 is a leap year? Yes. Year 400 is a leap year. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Year 400 is a leap year. So here you will not get 20, you will get 20 plus 1. Following everybody, what I mean to say that first 100 years 5, first 100 years 5, first 100 years 5, last 100 years 5, but not 5, 1 extra. 21. 21 divided. Sagar, you said 5 plus 3. It's not 5 plus. Understanding, everybody? I'm going to write once again, everybody. The first 100 years I've got 5. We have written this thing. The first 200 years, that is 10 odd days. Means 3 odd days. The first 300 years means 15 odd days. Well, the one, I hope you have understood this thing. If you have understood this thing, say yes. If you have not, literally. Second, first 300 years is 15 odd days. 15 was the 1 odd day. Then first 400 years is 20 plus 1. Why extra 1? Students, why extra 1? Because 400 is a leap year. That's the reason. Never forget this basic. Are you understanding, everybody? Never forget these basics. Are you understanding, everybody? Now, if I ask you, the first 400 years, students, the first 400 years have got how many? 0 odd days. So if my question is, how many odd days are there in the first 500 years? How many odd days are in the first 500 years? You chat and tell me. Extra 800 years back to 0. Let me ask you here. You just write your numbers and tell me. In 1200 years, and in 1600 years, and 1700 years, and 1300 years, and 2000 years. Please type and tell me what are the. Yes, Induja, it repeats. For every 400 years, 0. For every 400 years, 0. That's good, Sunny. Okay, everybody, that's good. Okay, so one more thing you have to understand that is that how the questions will be given to you. The first question I am teaching you, students, everybody on the screen now. Yes, Shivani, everybody is answering. I'm happy now. You are jumping by centuries now. Okay, on the screen now. Everybody on the screen now. What day of the week was 15th April 1801? 15th April 1801. Remember, everybody. Okay, don't do it. Please listen, everybody. You are doing something, you are making wrong. I'm answering you. Time thoda zyada ho gaya aaj. Okay. Now, 15th April 1801. Sir, 15th April 1801 is running. Step 1. Step 1. How many years are successfully completed? Listen, everybody, carefully. How many years are successfully completed? 1801 is going on right now. 1801 is going on. 15th April 1801 is running. But how many years are successfully completed? 1800 years. Understood how I got it? Now 2020 is going on. Listen, everybody, now 2020 is going on. How many years are successfully completed? How many years are successfully completed? Sir, 2019 years are successfully completed. Why 2019? Why not 2020? Sir, 2020 is still going on. Same fashion, in whenever he said you this thing, step 1, don't take this day. Take 1 year less only because 1801 is currently going on. Are you understanding everybody? Yes or no? Now, in 1800 can be split as 1600 plus 300. In 1600, 0. In 300, come on students, tell me, in 300, what? 5? No. In 300, 3. So, it's over. Are you understanding everybody? Is it clear? Yes. In 1800 years, we have 3 odd days. We got it everybody. How? Step 1 is over. Step 2. Listen everybody. Now you have to make an entry into the 1801 year. Do you think 1801 year which we are talking about, the next year 1801, everybody on the screen now? Yes, yes, yes. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not this thing. 200 years. I'm sorry. Somebody chat here 3 now, तो मेरे दिमाग में भी 3 आ गया. That's the only one thing, okay? चलिए, everybody, okay? Now, that's good. I'm sorry for that, okay? Step 2 is what? You have to make an entry into the 1801. 1800 is over. Now 1801 is running. Is this 1801 completely over? No. 15th April. So you all tell me. January over? Yes, sir. February over? Yes, sir. 1801 I am talking about. Following everybody? Chaliye. So what shall you read on here? 31 days of April. Following everybody? Clear? Clear? Now divide by 7, 3, divide by 7, 0, divide by 7, 3, divide by 7, 1. So what is this, students? 3 plus this thing is 7. 7 bole to 0. So students, we have got it. 3 plus 0 is 3. So 3 plus 0. 3 plus 0 is what? 3 only. How much? 3. So how many odd days you got it? 3. Students, try to understand that. If you got 0, your answer should be Sunday. If you got 1, answer should be Monday. If you got 2, answer should be Tuesday. If you got 3, answer should be Wednesday. If you got 4 things. Now I have got 3 plus 0, that is 3 odd days. I have got 3 plus 0, that is 3 odd days. So answer is what? Wednesday. Is it clear to you? Clear? Now, I am taking you to one more question. Listen. 22nd April 1903. Listen very carefully. I am teaching you some. 1903 is running. In 1600, starting of the calendar. Current year. Oh, sorry. 1900 years. I'll do is what? I'll teach this model tomorrow. Following everybody? Because it's 10:30, the session is going to be completed. Okay, clear? Yeah, Prasanna Kumar, everything I wanted to tell you very clearly. Just try to remember, hai to kal karenge, don't worry about that. Clear? So don't forget to come. Okay, what I mean to say that, everybody just remember this thing, 5, 3, 1, 0. In 105, 203, and in 301 and 400, 0. That is sufficient. Tomorrow we will continue this thing. Following everybody, jaldi karke koi fayda nahi hai. Clear? As you people did many mistakes, right? So I have to repeat every question, teaching, and some bhashan I have given in the beginning. Leave that. So aisa ho gaya hai. So tomorrow, 6 o'clock, time, speed and distance. Don't forget that. And 8:30, I will do this thing. Along with that, I will do data sufficiency. And data sufficiency, I will teach you two days. Because the Infosys topic, 5 questions compulsory. Following? I'll try to teach in 2 days. Is that fine, everybody? Chaliye. So, thanks a lot, everybody. Thanks a lot. Okay. I will catch you tomorrow. Is it fine, everybody? Say yes or no. Come on, students. Is it fine, everybody?